Hello guys, it's your boy HABIB EDUCATE, and in today's video we are going to open the MetaTrader 4 application. Okay, I've already downloaded it. If you haven't, just go to your Play Store, download it, and let's open it together. So now let me go to my MetaTrader 4 app, hit on it. All right, it's still loading. I think it is there. So now here is it, and I have nothing in it because I've been using this MT5 app. So get started, login. Do you have account? You haven't added any trade account yet. To add, tap plus in the upper right, then you hit on the tab. Log into an existing account. Do you have one? If yes, then that's it. But if you haven't, you can create a demo account with that. Choose a broker and register an account to learn trading and test your strategies. That's a demo account. So let's hit demo account, find a broker. So if you want the meta code demo, it's cool. If you don't want that one, you can use Exness as well. Or if you know of any broker that you want to use, then that one is up to you. I think we can find Exness here. So 40 demo, and let's hit on the one they give us. So here I think we'll enter some informations. So personal information, let me hit my full name. No, let me put in Bawa Habibullah Ahmed. Okay, I think this one is okay. Then my phone number, 05577100630. That's, we are creating a demo account to learn how to trade. Then email, name at company.com. So it will be this. Okay, then account type is a Forex USD account. Yes, leave it as Forex USD. Okay, yeah, leave it as Forex USD. The leverage, you can do it 1:, I think the maximum is 1:100 and the minimum is 1:1. So let's choose the maximum, 1:100. Deposit, it should be in US dollars, and the amount they give us here is 100,000 as always. But if you want 500,000, to that one is up to you, you can choose it, but I think I'm okay with 100,000. Then after that, just hit on create account. Now we are creating a demo account on our MT4 app. Okay, so that's it, we are done. That's the name that will pop out, Bawa Habibullah Ahmed. The account type is Forex USD. That's 1:100. I think the leverage, then the deposit is 50,000. But this is not a real money. Okay, a demo. You will use it to trade or learn how to trade and master your strategies before you start a real account where you will invest your real money into it and start trading. Then that's my login code, that's my password, and investor. So I think this, last time I tried doing a screenshot so that I can just keep it in mind, but okay, so now I'm able to do it. It's cool because I think it's a demo account, so that I'll be able to remember whenever I forget the password and the login code. Then let me hit done. Here was copied to clipboard. Okay, if you don't want to do a screenshot, you can also hit here to copy it, then done. Now we've created a demo account with it. So here is it, the currencies have popped up. Now we've created a demo account with our MetaTrader 4, and I think it's easy because last time a guy commented on how to create an account. Okay, is it an Exness account? He didn't specify, so now I show you how to create an account on MT4, MetaTrader 4. If you want to create a real account, hit on the three lines there, manage account, hit on it. Okay, that's creating a real account. Then you hit on the plus sign, then log in to an existing account. To open a real account, please contact your broker. So you have to contact your broker. Then you've created an account. So it's like you creating an account with Exness. Then after that, you can link your Exness account to MetaTrader 4. Interesting, right? So let's see. GBP USD, hit on it. Open chart. Still loading. Okay, so this is how it looks. Simple as that. And here is the currency pair or the codes. Here's the chart. All right, that's it. Your amount and everything. Just simple. Okay, these are basics. It's not that difficult. I think I have to leave it here. And whatever it is and what you want me to do a video on, just hit me up in the comment section and I will try as much as possible to do that. No one is perfect. We are all learning. Okay, yeah. Wherever I do a mistake, you can also correct me. It's your boy HABIB EDUCATE. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. I leave you in peace. Salam.